My name is James Downham. I live in Kitchener. I sing, I write music, perform, and having a lot of fun doing it. Well, I moved to the region when I was 19, and I went to the University of Waterloo and did what any self-respecting student would do, and that's start an indie rock band with your buddies. And we jammed and we played, and that was a blast. But Jimmy quit, Jody got married, and should have known we'd never get far. And I kind of thought that was it, but here I am now, kind of taking a second try, yeah, it's been a long time, but I'm having fun just like I was 19 again, which is really cool. My songwriting is all about emotion. It's love and it's heartache, and I think the things that people write about. But what inspires me to do what I'm doing right now is the knowledge that anything is possible, a belief that you can really do anything you set out to do, and that you're never too old, it's never too late, you're never too young, it's never too early to do what you love and make a difference. I'm just really honored to be nominated for an award, really looking forward to it. No matter the outcome, I think there's some fantastic performers, artists, community builders that are being recognized. I think that's really what the arts is really all about, is developing relationships, building community. And we have an incredible thing going on here. We should all be really, really proud of what we've built in Waterloo Region. Besides, we were